THiRA Robotics is a company that specializes in self-driving robots with technology that allows robots to find the designated points accurately without any auxiliary assistance with the application of AI algorithm technology. One of our flagship products, Robo-L, is compatible with existing roll carts, as they are and can also transport the carts loaded with up to 200 kilograms of cargo. Here is our proudest model, THiRABot 200. Can dominate the narrow aisles with its optimal utilization. More products such as the THiRABot 300, 600, and 1000 series are lined up in our product line by payload. THiRA Robotics can design and deliver customized products in a short period of time, developed by its own design and direct production of 100% of all design processes of self-driving robots, such as appliances, electrical devices, software, etc. As for driving, the precise self-driving is enabled by the hybrid driving algorithm, used with SLAM, QR marks, and vision. Thanks to the THiRA Robotics AWG system, the robots can pass zigzag bumps, take the elevators, drive over oil-spilled or wet ground with ideal speed for stable transportation. Also, with built-in technology, can get across the 10-degree slope in a stable manner while carrying 1 ton of load and thereby tackled the limitations of existing logistic robots.
We have introduced THiRA Robotics Robo-L in our field. The greatest advantage of Robo-L is its use of existing roll cart, and that it can be used without major restrictions, even in areas with irregular blocks. We think our logistics system will be transformed into a more efficient one through Robo-L. Expectations are also high for other products of THiRA Robotics that will be developed in the future.
THiRA Robotics is constantly thinking over how to make it safer and more convenient for customers. All our researchers go after a goal of innovation for customers. We, THiRA Robotics, will continue to be the one that inspires innovation in the industrial environment.